Hello guys, in this video we'll tell you how to fix the Windows disk management could not start virtual disk service error in Windows 10 or 11. But before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button from there. And comment down below on our videos about your problem, and just don't worry, we'll make a video for you to resolve it. Number 1. Restart the virtual disk services. For this, press the Windows plus R key to open the run box. Now in the run box, type services.msc and press enter to open the services window. Now from there, just scroll down to find a virtual disk in the list of services. Now when you find it, just right click on it and select start. Number 2. Verify that the service is set to automatic. In the same service window, double click on the virtual disk to open its properties. Now in the startup type drop down menu, select automatic if it's not already set. Now click apply and then OK to save the changes. Number 3. Scan for system file corruption. Corrupted system files can cause various issues, like it may be caused by disk management could not start virtual disk service error, including problems with services. For this, use the built-in system file checker SFC tool to scan and repair corrupted files. Number 4. Enable remote volume management. For this, open the control panel and from there, go to System and Security and just click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now from there, click on the Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now just enable the remote volume management option. Number 5. Check for third-party software conflicts. If you recently installed any third-party software that could interfere with disk-related services, just try uninstalling it. Number 6. Run the disk cleanup. For this, press Windows plus S key and search for disk cleanup. Now from there, just run the tool and select the appropriate drive and follow the instructions to clean up the disk. Number 7. Check for Windows Update. Ensure your Windows installation is up to date, as updates may include bug fixes for various issues like disk management could not start virtual disk service error.